Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Morgan Stanley is a Fortune 500 company within the capital markets industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 6.6%, thumbs up. Earnings growth, 17.3%, thumbs up. Earnings estimates, 7.44%, thumbs down. Return on equity, 11.11%, thumbs up. Debt to free cash flow, no debt, thumbs up. Share buybacks, yes, thumbs up. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.71%, thumbs up. Payout ratio, 29.77%, thumbs up. Growth rate, 26.71%, thumbs up. Growth years, 8-year, thumbs down. 8 out of 10 thumbs up. That's a great score. You might want to take a closer look on Morgan Stanley for your dividend portfolio. Don't forget to subscribe and please come back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.